In 1982, a man checked into a hotel in Chicago. He planned to stay one night. He was never seen again. Days later, hotel staff noticed water leaking from the ceiling below his room. When they forced the door open, what they found made no sense. The bathtub was overflowing. Inside it was his body. The room was locked from the inside. Windows were sealed. No signs of a struggle. No forced entry. Police couldn't explain how anyone else could have entered or left. They ruled it an accident. Some whispered suicide, but his friends said he was excited about the future. There was no note, no warning. Decades later, the case remains unsolved. The hotel still operates. The room still exists. And guests still report strange sounds at night, refusing to stay in that room even today. Because no one can explain how someone dies in a locked room.